What is up? Welcome back to Fishing Drifts. We are still on the big Thailand trip. And we've gone KEAN. Yes, we have travelled north. We left the fishing resort. We went north on the plane today. And only for one thing, that we'll see one thing only.
Street dog car, mate.
Yeah, nice. So top secret cars. We're going to do a walk around. We've lost Jeffrey, so he's gone back to the airport to get his bags that were lost coming up north here.
It's a bit slow.
But yeah, so we'll catch up with him later, and me and Jolie will go get around and check these cars out.
Drag D-Max over here. I've got to look at big turbo on it.
Straight up.
It's just a big bell mouth.
Oh, look at the intake size to the turbo. Bit of a difference.
Cooler's inside the car too.
Yeah, there you go.
Water and air.
Oh yeah.
Water and air cooler. Yeah, a little radiator is. It's tiny.
Yeah, little radiator.
Yeah.
Big drag wing on her. It's a good start.
Yeah, I wish it had time slip.
Yeah. That's it, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty clean.
Wrong motor, isn't it?
It's got the S13 SR20 in it. But pretty clean car overall. It's our first 180 we've seen here in Thailand.
There's been a couple for sale on Marketplace we can't afford.
It's probably that red one that was for sale.
I reckon
it is, eh?
It is. I reckon it is.
We'll have to check that out.
Yeah, I'm going in there right now.
Looks very similar. But I love myself a red 180. It's always been on the bucket list for me. Red 180. Won't be able to find it now.
Nah, yeah.
No,
that wasn't it.
No, not it.
I know the one you're talking about, but
Yeah.
anyway,
It was like 35 grand or something like that. Yeah, we'll get back to you. Tell you what, I thought I was blown away at that first car show we went to, but jeez, bro.
Simple little MX-83 here.
Yeah, look at this thing, eh?
Clean.
There's a lot of cars here too, so we'll keep walking around. HKS T04Z HKS Turbo. Woo. Look at that. It's well done, nice. In the old Hilux. Look at the rims on her. That's pretty cool. We found someone to stand in for Jeffrey.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey.
Yeah, that's it, eh?
And then Jeff.
Jeffrey's gone missing.
Fuck you, Jeffrey.
Yeah, fuck you, Jeffrey.
What does he drink normally?
Jeffrey. Oh, buggers. Who knows?
Yeah.
No Changs. Nah, we got him on the Changs now.
Thailand Jeffrey has something very special here, and like we can't believe this car is here. So let's have a look at this thing.
What the hell?
VN Commodore.
VN, yes.
Yes. What they come out with here in Thailand?
Either 4-cylinder, 2-litre, or V6.
Yeah, righto.
No V8s here.
Okay, no V8s. Yep. Yeah, we'll have to check underneath the bonnet for sure.
Yep.
Yeah, I reckon it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
One day.
Holy! Here we go.
Finally a Commodore I'd drive. Finally a Commodore I'd drive.
Definitely not a 4 cylinder. Holy. There we go. Haltech, cold packs. Nice.
Headers that I had, the manifold, the turbo would sit back further.
Okay.
And I was boiling water in the washers.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so then I got a whole new manifold made up and moved the turbo forward.
Yeah.
And then done the
heat shield,
yeah.
And the wrapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh, looks
but then
good.
I bought all the funk wrap, the funk motor.
Yeah, I've been seeing them. They look unreal.
Oh man, you can run that hot and put your hand on top of it.
Yeah, I watched them do the video the other day where they're doing the skid and he's holding the back of the turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to get one for my car for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've burnt yours out a few times, eh?
My Garrett one's been on fire.
I found that I was getting a little bit of heat soak into the master cylinder for the clutch, and the pedal would get a little bit. But now it's
good.
All adjusted and done.
Ah, yes. Very good.
Oh.
Who made that badge for?
I had it made in Australia.
Oh, really?
And I've also got where I grew up, Tweed Heads.
Oh, yeah, Tweed Motors.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah. So
That's unreal.
We have the top secret cars rolling in as we speak. Woo-hoo. Everyone's cheesing to the drone up there for the big shot. There we go. All the top secret boys. Hey! Cheese! Hey!
They're big boy beers.
Next best thing from these cars rolling in.
I've been holding it for that long.
Oh, you have too.
got a little hanger there. You want to put it in there.
Oh, cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
I couldn't.
Big beers on ice.
I couldn't believe how hard it was to pick you out in this crowd.
Oh, I know.
You're like the whitest guy here, but I couldn't find you.
I don't know how I look like a tourist around here.
Don't have a bucket hat on, mate. You're alright.
Elephant man, tourist.
That one's not too much.
Alright, so I got a fastback Mustang to go look at and a Mark 1 Cortina I hired off over here.
Alright, eh?
Let's go.
Cortina
Let's
or
go.
Escort?
Escort.
Escort.
Fucking half a singer. and I'm
Lucky
fucked.
Jeffrey's here.
Half a singer, yeah. Fucking Jeffrey 2's here.
Yeah. What's this one?
Rally machine.
Rally. Rally car.
1600 GT.
Yeah, right.
Flared up. It's got them flares, boy.
Yeah.
Real
You
flared.
see these in our hill climbs, but
Original roll bar.
original roll bar.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo! Oh, from Ford.
Wow.
Wow.
David Sutton.
Is this your car?
No, no.
No, yeah. You wish, huh?
No, imported from England, eh?
Yeah.
It's auto.
All the cool shit. Is it? Auto?
I don't know, bro.
What
Right, there's a full D1 Spec Pro car right here. Right there.
We'll have to check that
We're
out.
going to go have a look
We'll
at it.
go
And then
look at
ask
that.
how much it is.
Here we go. So we've got the 180 comp car. You're in the market, I hear?
I am in the market.
Yeah.
Anybody want to buy red RB20 Dirt Street Seffi in Australia, hit me up. I think I'm going to go
This
get
not,
rid of it.
It's not Marketplace, it's YouTube, mate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, hit me up. _Joel.
That's it. Righto. Oh, here we go. We'll check it out. Yeah, just on time, eh?
Is this yours? Your car?
Whose car? Your car?
Your car. Yeah.
Ooh,
Spicy.
there we go. How much
Mine-
horsepower? Horsepower, do you know? No.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So this is how they do it in Thailand.
Pretty much how we do it in Australia,
It's
really.
pretty simple.
Small housing.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Look at the lips on it. Nice. Radiator in the back. Beautiful.
What the fuck?
What the hell is going on here? 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is it? It's only a little, like a 4G something, I don't know.
I got no idea. We'll have a look in the back.
It can't be more.
Holy! 5, 6, 7. Is there more?
Yeah, there's probably something underneath.
Is there more? Ah,
The fuck?
new setup for your Seth, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need 2 RBs to spin these.
Oh! What do you reckon?
Oh, just Jay-Z the world over here.
Yeah,
just
I know,
whatever. Jay-Z's and Volvos, Jay-Z's and Beamers,
Jay-Z's and VNs.
Jay-Z's and VN Commodores.
Jay-Z and Commodores. Jay-Z and pickups.
Yeah, that's it.
Why wouldn't you?
Beam up, looking good.
Something we don't define, still between the lines, out of time, but you're here with me tonight. Crowded room, nobody sees how your hand keeps finding me. Say it's wrong, say it's late, still we dance around the fate. If this ends, it ends like this. No regrets, we didn't kiss. No forever, no goodbye. Just the truth, we never tried. We're still between the lines, not yours, not mine, just something we don't define. Still between the lines, out of time, but you're here with me tonight.
You know Max Orido as well.
Yes.
And then Max Orido came to fix my handbrake.
Oh,
And
okay.
he drift, and he also drift my car. He's fixing it. Yeah,
Wow. Oh, yeah.
he's fixing it, and he tried drift himself as well.
So this guy, he had the Drift King.
Yeah, so both
Drift
of them.
his A86.
Yeah, both of them drove my car. Yeah, this
Yeah.
Max Orido. Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
there
this
it
is
goes.
drifting. Yeah.
This is Drift King driving your
Internet
car.
not very well.
That must have been such an honor, huh?
Yeah, and I sat on it.
Yeah.
I saw his technique, everything.
Wow.
Basically, he used much of the hand brake.
Yeah, for sure. 20 valve.
Yeah, 20 valve.
Beautiful.
It produces about 160 horsepower at
Yeah.
wheels.
Oh, awesome.
Not
Still
really
enough.
much. Yeah,
Still enough.
because
Yeah.
the tires really light. So both of them said the car not powerful but really light.
Yeah. Oh man, like high five. That is awesome. Yeah.
So which keyring do you want?
Oh, Jeffrey's buying stuff.
Keyring do you want?
This one.
All right, can we take that one
Yeah, sure.
and that one?
Okay.
There we go. Some Valside goodies for us.
Where else am I going to get it officially? Legit, they're not fakes.
Yeah, legit, say. Well, Jeffrey's back in the vids and he's straight up buying stuff.
Shopping, look.
There we
That's
go.
the handbags we want. Can't fit a body kit in there.
Right, so we're going to keep walking around. We've done a few laps already, but it's getting pretty busy now. Might find a model for Jeffrey to hook up with. There we go. Yay! There we go. Hello. There we go. Thank you. Oh, you walked straight past them.
Yeah, I know.
Are you blushing?
No, that's the safest option. Let's just
There
say,
you go. Put it in your bag.
in a goodie bag. Now let's just say Thailand is on another level on every aspect.
Definitely.
Japanese Falcon.
Another Seffi with another 2J.
Bring on the underglow.
Look at that.
We all got underglow.
Underglow.
2J.
2J.
No shit.
Got the Bulldog stance. The Seffi rear guards are never big enough for good wheels. That's cool, eh?
Yeah, I melt mine all the time with the barrier in there.
Roll cage. Check the cage out. Goes over the
Yeah, over the centre hump. Yeah.
Goes over the centre
That
hump.
one I was looking at on Marketplace does as well.
Yeah, right.
But it's got a crossbar in the back and side intrusion bars. Still a dash dodger.
Yeah, yeah.
Goes around the dash, but
That's pretty cool.
yeah, wide body Merc.
It's your car. Your car.
Is it?
Yeah, brother. So that's his car, and that's my car.
Safiro.
Safiro. He's Safiro.
beautiful.
Yeah, with a barra. Yeah.
How much you want for this one? It's for sale?
No.
Spilling.
Of course, Joel's trying to buy every Safiro in Thailand.
Yeah. I know.
How much power? How much power?
Yeah. I want to sit one here, but I can't.
800.
800 horsepower.
Yes.
Woo. Jolly, 800 horsepower.
It's a bit more than the barrel.
Yeah.
That's my boy.
What do you reckon, Jeffrey? He liked you.
Yeah, I know. Be right.
Yeah. Up, up.
My man.
นี้เขาแบบสไตล์เที่ยวแมมี่
ไม่แม่เหมาะกับช่วงนี้
Hey, Woody.
มีของไหมมีของไหมรถจักรมีอันนี้ต้องมีของดิมีอะไรบ้างนาที10 นาทีเนี่ยเราจะจัดจบแล้วไม่ธรรมดาว่ะพี่เสือ
So nice.
Outside baby
ไม่ธรรมดา
French way
ไม่ธรรมดาผมว่าวิวซ้ายสวยมาก
Outro.
ขอบคุณมากครับคุณขอบคุณ
What are you doing, cockhead? Yeah.
We get the new Jeff
ต่อไป
We're getting the new Jeff in.
ไล่ไปเรื่
Oh,
อย
being replaced.
You've been replaced, Jeffrey. Sorry.
Importantly, look next to you
ๆโมเดลพี่เฮงเชิญนะพี่เฮงฮะพี่เฮงเชิญหน่อยพี่เฮงเชิญ
Don't worry about girls, I'm worried about superheroes.
มาเดี๋ยว
Righto, that's going to wrap up that video. It's been another great one here in Thailand. Awesome cars once again. The culture is out of control here. And we might be
พร้อ
moving
ม
in.
นะครับ
Get a couple singers up, yeah.
What do you reckon, Jeffrey? Yeah, Thailand's on another level.
โอ้น้อยเอา
Fuck elbow.
What do you reckon, Grant?
What do I reckon?
Yeah. Thailand. What do we
Yeah, pack your bags and move here.
Yeah.